Okie dokie. It's gonna be a kind of a crazy week. It's Monday. I'm going over to the office for a little while, which I've tried not to work on Mondays because of schedule. Neurology on Wednesday, gastroenterology on Thursday. So we've got a lot of driving and a lot of doctors to see. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can, but I'm getting kind of overwhelmed. You try to get then go shift gears and do work in other capacities. It's like you're all over the place. So anyway, I think I just yelled and made the dog bark. Sarah's doing great in Italy. Italy update for today is that they are on a train heading north. Their destination is Naples, but there was a point in her train ride that the train actually got onto a boat. So she sent me a picture of her standing on the boat. It was really cool. And they're having a picnic on the train. So she's really having a great time. So she's going to be sometime today up in Naples, getting settled in up there for a few days. And then eventually they'll end up in Rome, see a lot of the bigger stuff, and head back. So pretty cool trip, starting with the country down on the farm and then moving all the way up the coast to Naples, then Rome. So here I am outside of the high school. Surprise! Waiting for Thomas. He's at jazz band. Oops. I just stopped at the music store for him because he wanted to get some manuscript paper. Manuscript paper is like blank paper for writing music on, right? Creative music. Let's see. Manuscript paper. Basically so you can write your own music. He needs it for something he's doing. I did that, and now I'm waiting for him. And then I'm gonna be waiting for Thomas, and then go home. I gotta take Henry for a walk. So that's the way it goes. We have a situation. Hey, what are you doing? I'm gonna get you. Watch this. I'm gonna sit down. Can I just sit down? I'm just gonna sit here. Get you. No, now you're not gonna play? He was playing a game with me before. What? It was called. Try. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Who's a good boy? Huh? Who's a good boy? Sit. Down. Good. Speak. Speak. Good job. What a good boy. Roll over. Yeah, roll over. Good boy. Being attacked by a vicious dog. Barking too loud. Come here. Psst. Henry, over here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, mister. What's going on over here with this one? Will you stop eating my hand? I was going over to say hi to Theo. Oh, leg stretch. That was great. This is a fail. You're in your spot. Do you ever sit on the other side of the love seat?
No, I saved the other side of the love seat for you. Snuggles.
Oh, you're so special. Did you have a good day today?
Not really. Oh, here comes the dog.
Yeah, he's full of vim and vigor.
I like vim and vigor. Just I hate when he makes out with me.
What is this? Pull Mommy's pant leg off in pieces. Huh. Ooh. What are you trying to do? Give me kisses?